Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, itssMoni. If you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned.
I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you care, done. I want my, I want my, I want my nails done. I want my, I want my, I want my, I want my hair done, my hair, and if you care, done.
So, before we get started to this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video so you can stay up to date with my new content that I'm coming out with. But to get started into this video, I got this wig off Amazon. I got this for my birthday, so try and save me some energy and time. Instead of making a wig like I normally do, I decided to buy a wig. So I'm just going to start off bleaching a wig. Make sure your bleach is a nice consistency. It's not too thick and not too liquidy. I'm not going to talk for the entire video, just to give you guys a little summary of what I'm doing. Now please do not come for me while you are watching me bleach my wig, because this wig is for me. I am being a little less careless and messy while bleaching this wig, but if this wig was for someone else, then of course I would have taken my time. But please don't come for me, because just wait to the end and you'll be like, dang girl, you did that. So this is what it looked like after I finished bleaching it. So I'm just gonna let it, well, I'm gonna rinse it and let it air dry overnight. So this is what it looks like when it's finally washed out. There's no shampoo, no conditioner, nothing with it. It's just washed out. So I'm about to let it air dry overnight, and as you can see, this is what it looks like in the morning once it's dried out. So it's kind of like a really pretty copper color. So after that night, once it's all dried up, I'm about to do a nice little dip dye, water dye, I forgot what to call it. So I'm using these three colors, just a little bit. I don't want to change the color too much, because I really like it. But I'm going to do a little bit, so make sure you have some warm water. I'm going to mix the three colors in there and let the hair sit for just a little bit, not too long. And I'm going to show you later the products that I use to shampoo and conditioner. I use the Silk Press Collection by Design Essentials.
I'm all braided up now. I have my wig. This is the front where I have to cut the bangs at. But she's not, I don't know why it's so dark. But like, she's a nice brown, copper kind of color. So let's cut these bangs. So actually first, this part is not in the middle of my head, so I'm going to fix that. So give me a second. So I'm low-key struggling just a little bit, but it's okay. So sorry, I had to call my sister because I needed some help, but oh, she's doing what she has to do. I tried to cut layers a little bit, but I was scared of accidentally messing up. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, because she's giving. Okay. This is how the hair looks outside. Okay.